Chat. Chat is a synchronous communication tool that has many instructional uses for the online and blended classroom. If used effectively, chat can promote collaboration among students and can improve instructor-to-student communication. Begin by clicking Chat under Communication in the left navigation. By default, a general chat room is created once the chat tool has been enabled for the course or site. This chat can be edited, but it cannot be deleted. To create a chat, click the green plus sign icon. Give the chat room a title and any other optional settings you prefer, including defining a chat description, applying a category and tags, and specifying calendar settings. Under the Availability tab is where you can set a specific date that the chat should be released. Also, if the chat needs to be hidden from student view after a period of time, you may set an expiration date. You may also set optional access control settings if you would like to restrict access to specific users. Course learning objectives can be linked to your chat as well as applying dependent release settings. Move to the Gradebook tab if you would like to link a chat to the Gradebook. Enter a value for maximum points to create a new Gradebook assignment or choose to attach to an existing Gradebook assignment. It is required to set a point value for a Gradebook chat, but it is not mandatory to use these points in the grade calculations. Click on the Advanced Settings tab. Your chat will automatically show offline users by default. By deselecting this option, the chat will no longer display offline users that are registered for the class. When you are done making preferences, click Add Chat. Once created, you will see the chat embedded into the page. The left sidebar of the chat will show all the chat rooms that are available. This makes it easy to switch rooms when chatting. Also on the side will be a list of online users and possibly offline users if you choose to display these in the advanced settings. Type your messages in the text box at the bottom of the chat room and hit Enter on your keyboard to send your message. While chatting, emoji can be added by clicking on the yellow smiley face or by typing out the shortcut. By clicking on the single user's name within the room, you can private message to that person. This will open a private chat screen between the two of you. If someone starts a private chat with you, a red number will appear next to their name. Using the sound icon on the bottom left, users are able to mute and unmute sounds. The rectangle icon will allow the chat to open in a new window. The Transcript button at the top opens a pop-up window that allows you to view the chat transcript by date range. Select the date range and click Submit to view the transcript, including when users entered and left the room, as well as all the chat messages. Click the Report button to view chat reports. Detailed information for each user is displayed here, and two icons are found next to each other. To view the specific user's post in the chat room, click the second icon. To print this information for a user, click the Print icon. If you choose to make this a graded chat, a green grade button will also appear at the top of this page. Clicking this will take you to the Chat Detailed Grader. The Detailed Grader will display chat entries one user at a time. All chat entries will be displayed here, and the current user you are reviewing will be highlighted in blue. On the top right of the screen, you will see the name of the user whose submission is currently visible. This is also where you can provide the grade for the chat room. Returning to the chat listing for your course, you will see three icons upon hovering over each chat. The key shows the permission summary for the chat. The pencil allows the administrator to edit. The trash can deletes the entire chat, including transcripts. If the chat is also connected to content, there will be a fourth icon signifying the link to the course content.